It's been a good while since I've done an update video on the inside of our spring house here. I posted a number of videos when I was doing some destruction in here and tearing out old things and finding old things and checking on old wood. And since that time, got the framing done and have started forming up what this space is going to look like. So we've got a bathroom here on the right coming in. Little showers going in right now. Be a toilet and a sink. Got a door there. Lights, pot lights put in. Was able to salvage a good number of these beams that were used down below for the floor joists back in the day, and so they'll be here and be exposed forever. But you know, the thing that I kind of got sad about today is right over here in this corner. I'm hiding, putting away behind insulation, stuff that will not be seen again for many decades. Some of this really cool old wood. So these big old beams across the top here, and the little details like you find in the corner here of just pinning this weird little corner together. I think this is just a square beam that's been cut to look like it's two pieces pieced together. So all this stuff, and oh yeah, look at these uprights, still have the bark on them on some of these live edge pieces back in behind this chimney. Oh yeah, there's some more of it right there. It's pretty amazing. Really gorgeous wood. And we're insulating it away. So on the other side of this pink foam board, I've got little spacers like these, and this board is pushed up against it so it doesn't touch the siding that's out here on the outside. There's clapboard siding there. So that pink board is pushed up against the spacers. I've got them in the bays all the way down here. And I'm sort of gluing them in or airtighting them in with a little little method here, a little homemade method. I'm using some spray foam there just to sort of glue them in place and also to seal in the leaks just a little bit. And then just doing fiberglass rolled insulation over top of it. So these bays are a little deeper. I had to shim some of these to fit with the windows. And I can get my full R13 out of my rolled wall fiberglass insulation. The pink foam board gives me +3. So I feel pretty good about the insulation I'm going to get there. But I just want to capture this wood that's just going away. Look at this thing all chiseled out over this window for some reason. My windows are kind of a mess. I'm going to have to refurbish those. The chimney seems to be in pretty good shape. We're going to use it in this room. And this is the real fun part. Back here, this wall that's exposed here on the outside to the spring house that goes way down. So this, I'll do another video on this wall when I get it fixed. And oh yes, the more interesting thing, the floor that's going to go up above here. So this is going to be a great little project to figure out. But anyway, the inside here is about to be all zipped up, hidden behind just boring old 21st century wallboard and fiberglass foam. Fiberglass insulation and foam board. So I thought I'd get one more shot of it here before it goes away for, I want to say forever, but you're reminded of that intensely when you come into a building project like this and you see layers that go back to lath and plaster and then layers that go beneath lath and plaster. It just it goes back, but it comes back out. It gets itself re-exposed as is being done in this project right now. All right, that's the update for now. Spring house coming up. Say hi.